Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your duplicate file on your Windows. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. If you want to delete your file, simply just open your folder and search in here file and name tab. So that's how you can manually delete your file. I'm going to show you how you can automatically scan your duplicate file and you can delete this for free. So I'm going to close this and here open your browser and here search Dupe Guru and go to this first website and download this software on your PC. So I'm going to select this one, Windows 64, and you can see it's download our file. Now I'm going to open this and click on next, click on agree and install for anyone. Now click on finish. Now after install the software, I'm going to open this software. I'm going to open this software. From here you can see the plus icon. We need to add the folder. You can add any of this folder. Select folder. I'm going to add another folder. And here you can select any of this standard music picture. If you want to find music there, then select this one. If you want to find duplicate picture or video, then select this one. So I'm going to select the content. You can also change this by file name and the folder. So I'm going to select the file name first and I'm going to click on scan. So it can take some time to find duplicate file and folder. So don't worry about that. Now you can see this is other file and folder you can see in here. These are the two duplicate file. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to search again for the content and the picture. If I find any kind of duplicate picture, it also can take some time. So you can see some of my duplicate file in here. You can also delete this from here to remove selected from result. So guys, that's how you can scan your duplicate file and find your duplicate file. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos.